In this video, I'll show you how to request access to a Facebook ad account step by step. This is especially useful if you're working with clients, agencies, team members, or businesses that need to share advertising access without transferring ownership of the account. Meta allows you to request access directly through Business Manager, and the process only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the official Meta Business website. Log into the Facebook account connected to your Business Manager. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you're using the correct business account before continuing. After entering Meta Business Manager, look toward the left side menu and click on Business Settings. This section is where Meta allows you to manage ad accounts, pages, users, permissions, and connected business assets. Inside Business Settings, locate the Accounts section and click on Add Accounts. Here you'll see all advertising accounts currently connected to your business. To request access to another account, click the Add button at the top of the page. A small menu will appear with several options. Select Request Access to an Ad Account. Meta will then ask you to enter the Ad Account ID of the account you want access to. This ID is usually provided by the business owner or client managing the advertising account. Carefully type the Ad Account ID into the field and click Next. After that, Meta will ask which permissions you want to request. Depending on your needs, you can request access as an admin, advertiser, or analyst. Admin access gives full control over the account, including billing, permissions, and campaign management. Advertiser access allows you to create and manage campaigns, while analyst access is mostly limited to viewing performance and reports. Select the permission level you need and then click Request Access. Meta will immediately send the request to the owner of the ad account for approval. Once the account owner approves your request, the ad account will automatically appear inside your Business Manager dashboard. You'll then be able to manage campaigns and use the account based on the permission level granted to you. If the request is denied or pending for too long, you may need to contact the account owner directly and ask them to approve the request from their Business Settings Notifications section. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request access to a Facebook ad account. This is one of the safest and most professional ways to collaborate with clients, businesses, and teams while keeping account ownership secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more Facebook ads, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.